The traditional way to evaluate the effects of the ECM systems is a test range that involves several ships or airplanes in an operational environment. This method is very expensive, and most of the time real threats are unavailable. Another approach could be possible using one of the many simulation softwares on the market to conduct a cheaper test in an EW lab, but the major limitation with both methods is that it is not clear of the real effect of the ECM on the threats, as well as their ability to react by putting into place an ECCM. In fact, the only way to test the ESM or ECM effects on enemy radars is to use a hardware-in-the-loop programmable radar simulator capable to emulate them. This innovation is called E-PRS. The E-PRS can simulate a broad range of radars, including ground-based, airborne, shipborne ones, and missile seekers too. The greater test reliability is ensured using a real radar digital receiver, waveform generator, and programmable signal and data processor. This method takes into proper account the response and limitations of a real hardware processing. The radar models to simulate are user-created by the E-PRS programming graphic user interface, according to the user's intelligence information. In a similar way, the scenarios are prepared by the dedicated scenario graphic user interface. These scenarios take care of both the platform's motion and the relevant RF echo signals. Finally, it is necessary to designate in the scenario the system under test platform. By running the E-PRS simulation, it is possible to assess both the system under test, ESM or ECM, and the simulated radar ECCM. The E-PRS, described as a simplified block diagram, is composed by a programmable microwave transmitter, programmable microwave receiver, programmable target generator, radar antenna simulator, digital signal and data processor programmable via software, scenario generator, display and control, data collection and analysis. The software required to program and to operate the E-PRS simulation is provided with the system. It consists of the Programming Graphic User Interface, also called E-PRS Framework, the Scenario Graphic User Interface software, the E-PRS Operative Control and Display software. With the framework software, the user can generate the radar models according to his needs, using the provided functional library modules in a graphic environment. Advanced users may add further functional library modules if required. Finally, the software allows to record all the relevant simulation data for further analysis and playback. The E-PRS opens new perspectives to the radar simulation world for EW systems evaluation and other technical and operatives purposes.